snow. And I didn't hear it. That's why I said we gotta hear it. Look at the snow. Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Soraya and Tareen. Guys, it is early Tuesday morning and it's a crazy snowstorm outside. Like crazy. And Soraya still got school. Anyways, this is going to be a crazy video. It's going to be very interesting because guys, guess what? A single mom like me, I'm about to go get all this snow off my car because she got to make it to school. Because one thing with this little girl, she do not like missing school. Rain, snow, you name it, she gonna go to school. What's wrong with it, babies? No more? Huh? Show them what we need to go take the snow off the car. Guys, so we gotta use 2 spatulas.
We could with these. I don't know why she making us use
Well,
these.
we got to use that because I don't have to
A
do
dustpan.
And a dustpan. We about to see how that's gonna work because this one.
Yeah, no, I like fly to go to school.
You gotta go to school.
What?
So we gotta make it. Y'all about to see how crazy this is.
Oh
y'all.
no.
It's crazy.
Y'all, I haven't seen snow all my life.
What do you mean all your life?
You like that? Oh no. Look at the plants.
Alright, come on, let me jump out.
I know. Look at the plants. You see all these little humps for the plants. And there's a glass on the window for the guys.
Alright guys, we out here now. Now, how we about to do this? Let me start my car first.
I'm not playing.
Guys, this is retarded. This is crazy. Look at my car, y'all. Look at this.
Scraping. Don't care about corn. Oh, this is soft. It's not like the hard one.
Oh, okay, good. But alright, let me go turn my car on, y'all.
Unlock
Look at my car. Look at the floor. Alright. Oh, let me take the snow off first. Look at this, y'all. Hold on, I'm gonna do it with this. Look at this, y'all. The dustbin is working. Wow. The dustbin is working. Huh? Hold on, watch out. Just look. Come on, dustbin. It's not the time to keep opening. Come on, you can put your book back in. So I can go start the car. That's fine. Huh? Don't worry about that. So I take you down this. No, Jazz, not from the. Don't worry about that. Come help me in the front. Look at this, y'all. Jazz, come here. Here, hold this. Then I'm gonna hold it, showing you taking it off. You got here snow in your hair. How you got snow in your hair? Okay, baby. I should go a little bit that way. Let me see. You put your hand on it. I'll show you. See this? I told you this was the first.
Oh, put on the windshield wipers.
Yeah, I'm about to.
Just get some snow off of the windshield wipers first.
Yeah. Back up off me. Do this part. Give me those. Get it, Jazz. Get it, Jazz.
I got some snow in my shoe.
You probably did. You don't got no boots on. Brush it out, Mama. Do like this. Stomp your feet under. You give me some Melvin over there. You want me to finish?
No, I got it.
You got it, mate. Mate.
Shush!
Guys, we're watching this series. Hi, Mr. Marvin. Yeah. Look at Mr. Marvin, y'all. Marvin over there.
Mr. Mayo.
Ooh, yeah.
Might just have to get that.
Let me get some off the car, because, you know. You want me to turn on the windshield wiper in there?
Yes, Mom.
Take this snow off my light, because I'm going to need my light oil so somebody can see me when I'm coming. Alright, guys. It's getting crazier. It's about to start snowing again. I don't know why they have these kids going to school. Like, for real. Oh, I got no snow, no gloves on it. That means that snow is cold. I got snow fell on my hand. That shit was cold. She said, watch out. Why you not wearing your hood, like, for your thing? Right? Wear the hood. And your hair about to get wet. Those gonna fly out when I get out. Here, let me do it. Here, hold this. It's very dangerous to drive with the snow on top of your car. Jazz, be careful. This is flying. Alright. This should be good.
You just covered up my wire. I got this door.
That car better stop. You almost slip. Don't slip and slide. Again, I see that. Hi, baby. I got that. Okay, guys, I just dropped off Soraya to school. Now walking to the store because I gotta get me some meat to cook. I'm at the meat store. Thank you. Okay. I'm at the meat store. I am in my car. As y'all can see, I am surrounded by grass. Nothing but ice. Nothing but ice. So I'm about to go try to take some off my windshield at least so I can see. Look, this can even go down. The window can even go down. Look at this. Because my ass don't have the thing for it. I'm a little late. Gotta be so late for her. Get away. At least if I can get this ice already, so I can see that I can start my windows and everything. Yeah, I gotta see right here too because I gotta look in my mirror. See at least. Anyway, it's coming down. I mean, it's coming off, but it's really sticking to it as well. This was Soraya was using this morning, y'all, to help me get the snow out my eyes. Y'all can't say my baby wasn't trying to help me. You feel me? So one of Soraya's friends just asked me if she can come over here for the past 2 weekends. My friends been coming over my house. Literally, guys, they love me. If I had a mansion, I would be having them at my house all the time because they love to come at my house. They love to be around me, the baby with Soraya. You know, I'm that cool mom. At least I got enough off of it, guys. So I'm about to try to drive now because I don't want my baby to be waiting that long in here. So it's because it's so cool. Look, there's nothing but ice. But ice. What you doing over there? Guys, I just picked up Soraya from school. So, how was it today?
Good.
Y'all didn't get to go outside. What they had y'all in for recess?
Huh?
What they had y'all in for recess?
Inside the lunchroom. We just stayed inside the lunchroom.
OMG. Guys, I'm still surrounded by ice. So I couldn't even open that door. It took a
Yeah, I was
open it.
yanking and banking and ranking on.
It's melting now because you know I'm running the heat in here. No. This side I had to get the ice off because I had to look in that mirror even though the mirror did not work. Surrounded by nothing but ice up this car. Alright guys, so I'm back from picking up Soraya. Huh? Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Eliza wanna see. She wanna see. Guys, I have her sister right here. She probably like, what in the world going on with that girl? Come on. So I have Eliza with me. I gotta put the code in to get in because I am not using the key. Come on, Mama.
Let's go.
Lock my car, please. So,
Alright,
guys.
by the way, y'all, my ball hit it. Anyways, next.
I don't care. So, guys, we had come to the end of the video. Guys, we had come to the end of the video. Yeah, as y'all can see, when I went and picked up Soraya, it was nothing but ice on the car, y'all. We really survived this snow today. We really survived it, right? Soraya made it to school. I made it with my car to go dropped her off and picked her up. Like, Liz, what you think about the snow? My baby probably was like, she gonna see this video when she get older though. Like, I was in that storm. So yes, guys. So it was crazy.
Friday. Tomorrow it's actually supposed to be sunny, but it was supposed to snow tomorrow, which is Wednesday. But they changed, now the weather changed, that's supposed to snow on Friday again. So Thursday is supposed to be cloudy, and then tomorrow's supposed to be sunny.
Yeah, and it's sunny, guys, but it's freezing.
It's gonna be cold.
It's gonna be like single digit tomorrow. That's how crazy it is. Like, so the sun gonna be out. That's better than just, you know, snow like today.
Run off and do.
So, but at the same time, it's gonna be single digits. So everything out there right now that's slushy or whatever is already turning into ice. So I don't know how tomorrow will be.
I slipped.
Yes, y'all gonna see that. If y'all didn't, y'all probably already seen it in the beginning of the video when I dropped her off. When I dropped her off, but she slipped a little bit. Her friend Kiara slipped too. I'm like, yeah, I got that. I called it. Those are the only two people I saw slip and slide today, guys. Cause, whew.
And then when I was leaving, I also slipped. And me and Naya and Kyra, like, we all was like, ah!
Oh, for real? See, I
well,
didn't
not
catch
that bad, but like, you know, it was like that. Whew.
But anyways, guys, make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Because it's about to get litty over here,
Say
you know.
bye-bye.
Say bye, Mama.
She's worrying about all this other stuff.
All right, guys, we love y'all. Give me a heart. Give me a heart. Your hand right now. Make the heart. Make the heart. Make the heart. We love y'all. Peace.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. So every time we post another lit video like this, you'll be notified. Peace out.